So in a business, we have to meet our annual demands of the units which we require. So let's say in a business, we require 10,000 units. There are two costs that are related to inventory. One is the ordering cost and another is the carrying cost. And Q here represents the quantity ordered. So half of Q is the average stock that we keep. Now, in a business, our main aim is to reduce the costs of the business as much as we can while meeting the demand. Here we have it. So, as we order more and more goods, the ordering costs decreases because we are ordering more and more goods. We have to order less, and the ordering costs will go down. It decreases at a decreasing rate. But as we order more goods, the carrying cost increases. What is carrying cost? Carrying cost is the price that we pay to keep the quantity with ourselves, right? So it increases at a constant rate. Now you could see here, I have marked this. What is this? This is the economic order quantity. This is the quantity at which the ordering and the carrying costs are at their lowest. You may be asking yourselves why. So I need you to see this graph. This will make you understand why. Here we have it. The carrying cost is constant. Let's say we order X number of goods. The carrying cost increases only at a constant rate, but the ordering costs decreases, right? So we have to aim for the quantity that decreases the total which we have to pay, right? At this point, the ordering cost is way higher than the carrying cost, but it decreases as we order more and more and more. And at the point at which these meet, that is the amount that we require. Because at this point, the quantity, the per head cost that we will be incurring would be at its lowest. And at this point, the carrying costs become more than the ordering costs, and we will be incurring more costs to carry the same amount of quantity. This is the formula that represents our our total costs, and our goal is to minimize this, right? So half into Q is the average inventory which we are keeping with ourselves, and C is the carrying cost. A is the annual demand, and Q is the reorder quantity which we are reordering, and O is the ordering cost. As we order more and more quantity, this totally decreases, and as we order more and more quantity, this increases because the average inventory which we are keeping with ourselves increases. As I told you, the economic order, the order with the least cost attached to it, the total of this would be when these would be when this and this are equal. I will show you. So when this and this are equal, we get this. And when we solve for this formula, we get this Q square is equal to 2 annual demand into the ordering cost divided by the carrying cost. And when we solve for it, we get the quantity that we require for the least amount of cost. And that would be this.